You're just some bun and patty, but I love you so much. Very stylish. Sliders are nothing but bite-sized sandwiches. So why not make it in your home? Let's slide into the recipe. And go some red kidney beans, which were soaked overnight and completely boiled. I'll mash this. Now to this, I'll add some chopped onions. These are soya granules which were soaked in hot water and then drained. Now to this, some paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, some dried mixed herbs. You can even use fresh herbs if you have it. Some chili flakes, not to forget some salt. And here I have some boiled potatoes with me, which are grated. I'll add in. I have some parsley. Chop them finely. So here in goes freshly chopped parsley. And now the only part remaining is the mixing. Yeah, I know using forks and spoon is the right thing, but when I cook, I make sure that I use my hands because it gives taste. So after mixing this properly, I'll make small patty and just roll it. Perfection. So I'll quickly make some more. Now let's quickly crumb it with some freshly made breadcrumbs. These are dried breadcrumbs. And see to it that the breadcrumbs are properly stuck. So these are done. I'll keep this aside. And if you want to eat it as a meal, make sure that you make lots. So here I have purple cabbage with me. I'll just require this much. What I'll do is, I'll just cut this into half and then slice this. So after this goes into the bowl. And to make it lighter, I'll be using some fresh yogurt. And for flavoring, here I have smoked paprika. Not to forget some salt. That's it, give this a mix. So here I have some parsley with me, just to add on to the color. I'll just roughly chop it. And in goes the green element. Wow. I'll keep this aside. So here I have some mini burger buns for a slider. What I'll do is, I'll brush some olive oil on top. Here goes the olive oil. And this goes in preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 2 to 3 minutes just to warm it a bit. So let's quickly sear the patty. Some olive oil. This looks beautiful. Place this inside the pan. Wow. Now you need to sear it from both the sides till they're golden brown. This looks beautiful. Isn't this cute? Slice it into half. Keep this aside. Now to these burger buns, I'll apply some tomato ketchup. This will ensure that the burger buns are nice and moist and plus enhance the flavor. Now on the base, I'll place lettuce leaves. So here goes the fresh romaine lettuce. On top, here comes the patty. and I'll top it with some cabbage salad. Yummy. So here comes the salad. This has nothing but mixed lettuce, cherry tomatoes, walnuts. That's it. And here's the dressing. Lemon vinaigrette, some lemon juice, olive oil, salt, pepper. That's it. Give this a mix. And here's the plate. I'll first plate the lettuce. And now on top of this comes the dressing. And now I'll place the sliders. And along with the burger bun. Isn't this cool? This one is for you and this one is for me.
For more such delicious recipes, stay tuned to Sanjeev Kapoor Khazana.